Mumemerekia na muthekania o Aunty Jemimah niarikitie gutiga wira ceceni-ini ya Gukena FM. Jemimah uria urarehaga tabarira ya Gukena Express arekiririe tabarira yake ya mwiso muthenya wa ira akoretwo ceceni-ini no kwa kahinda ka miaka 7. Ino ni ndumiriri iria akorirwo akiruta thini wa Facebook page yake ya Aunty Jemimah. 7 years ago, I got into radio, my first love, and started an incredible journey of laughter, lessons, growth, and networking. That journey has been very fulfilling, but just like any other good thing, it has come to an end. My purpose at Gukena FM Kenya is fulfilled, and vice versa. Thank you for tuning in every Monday to Friday for Gukena Drive Express, and on Sundays from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. for Cocktail Sunday. We enjoyed this one ride. Tune in for my last show today from 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. Time to exit and explore. It has been railed. Akenya ni magikoriro magithie mwena wa comment section na magikorwo makimwendithĩria Aunty Jemimah mahinda mega. Hena uyu wandĩkire areta Joy Murathime aruga sawa. Hena Irene Macharia aruga all the best. Hena Caroline wa Boy Jogona akauga ni akukorwo akinyitwo ni kĩeha mũno akauga angi Sunday itakuwa ina bo bila yeye please stay. Hena Alice Muthoni akauga ni na dona dimu tondu ndithikagĩrĩria radio. Hena Triza Noni auga all the best Aunty guku wakiria kwa Mwangi wa mohoro tugakorwo tukiuga tukamwendithĩria Aunty Jemimah mahinda mega agithi kuruta wĩra ũcio ũngĩ. Guku ni kwa Mwangi wa mohoro twagikorwo tugikwihoya ukorwo ukisubscribe thĩinĩ wa YouTube channel ĩno.